Alright. It's loud as hell. A laser heal movement speed. I'm gonna save my money. Come here, sir. Just. Tastes like COVID. Why is there a cat? I'm allergic to cats. No, I'm not. I lied. Get your ass over here. Pink. Back off! They're gonna eat your body parts. And I'm leaving. Meow! My voice actually just cracked. No. I don't want no red cat. Oh my god, that hurt my fucking ears. Money. Fun. Don't care. Still don't care. I don't care. Helicopter. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Clean up that man's blood. Look up. Get off me, cat! Man! I cut my knee open yesterday and it really hurts. How did I stop perfectly on the 5? Oh, give me that blicky, bro. What in the hell? Let me clear that. No, I cannot. So if you don't fuck off, you retard. Okay. Oh, happy face. Okay. Kill. Money. What did I press? What the hell are you licking it to death? What in the hell? What am I witnessing? Merge and upgrade. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.